Hello friends, I'm Akash, and I'm back with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how you can use WhatsApp without your number. I mean, you do not need your number to verify it, but you just need an email ID for it. You may ask,
Dude, WhatsApp does not accept email ID. It only accepts mobile number.
okay, let me make you understand. There is a app which provides you real number, and what you have to do is just give her email ID and verify that app, and after getting that number, you can use it on WhatsApp. I hope you get it, what I said. Let me show you a quick demo. Go to Play Store and search for Promo app. You can see the app, and yeah, I will put a direct link of this app on the description section so that you can download easily. As you can see, I have already installed this app. I'm going to open it. Now, just click on create an account and just sign up. Here you can put any name, any username, who cares? But you need an original email ID to verify this app. So, I'm going to put my name and my Gmail ID. It's done. Now click on sign up. Now click on skip. Okay, here is the app. Now click on the menu button, which is at the top of the left side, and see below. Okay, you can see, add phone number, tap on that. After that, this app will send a verification mail to your email ID. You just have to confirm that email, and a number will be shown up here, and you can use that on WhatsApp. Okay, I got it. Just click on it to confirm. After that, a number will be shown up in that app, and you can use that number as your WhatsApp number. Is not it cool? Okay, my email ID is confirmed. Now let's see my new number. So, here it is. If it is not showing, please refresh this app and tap on this option. So, I'm going to use this number as my WhatsApp number, so minimize this app and go to WhatsApp and put this number. Before going to WhatsApp, make sure that you are connected to internet, means your status is online on this app. Go to your account to check it. Okay, I'm online. Now I'm going to put this number on WhatsApp. Here it is. Click on next to verify. Okay, a message is showing that they are unable to send a SMS on that number, so what you have to do is tap on OK, and after that you have to click on the other option. I mean, you have to click on call option to verify. Okay, a robot will call you and tell you the verification code. If you are not getting any call, please check your internet and try to repeat the call me option. I mean, just try until you get the call. Please note the 6-digit code from the robot. I'm going to write on a paper so that I can remember.
104312. Your verification code is 104312. Your verification code is 104312. Your verification code is 104312.
So, here is the code I got, and I'm going to give it on WhatsApp to verify. Okay, done. Now I can use this number as my WhatsApp number. Let me first set my profile on it. For proof, let me message to my another number. You can see here the message from my new number. Let me make a WhatsApp call. You see, call from my new number. So, this is how you can use WhatsApp without using your number. So, is not it cool?
Hello?
And yeah, I have uploaded previously how you can see or read someone's WhatsApp. That was a cool video. Check that out. Link will be in the description. Now, I'm going. Bye bye. Have an awesome Sunday. Do take care of yourself and others, help and respect people, and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting tricks and tutorials.